Hello trade boosters. This buy and sell indicator and our EMA right here was generated by ChatGPT. So let's see if it works and if you can turn your $100 to $10,000. All right, cool. Let's get started. So I'm just gonna go back in time just to see if it actually works. Cool. We're gonna start somewhere here. I'm gonna draw the line. I'm gonna start somewhere here. A second. Start somewhere here. All right. So whenever price is below our EMA, we're looking for sells. Whenever it's above, we're looking for buys. All right. Simple as that. So let's get started. So you can see, there we go. As you can see, we have a sell signal right here. On the sell signal, we're gonna put the stop loss over our EMA somewhere here. Take profit hit right there. As you can see, now we're looking for buys. So this sell does not count. We have two buy signals here. Take profit should be up here. Stop loss somewhere here. EMA crossover, we're looking for sell. I'm looking for sell right here. That was a nice sell right there. And we even have another one right here. Finally crossed over again. We had a buy right here. That was a nice buy signal. Let's keep going. We had a nice sell signal right here. See, we had a nice sell signal. Didn't go far. Took us out at break even. Had a buy signal here. So from my impression so far, this strategy actually works. It honestly does. I think with good trade management, you'll be able to make profits with this strategy. That's just my honest opinion, but try it out for yourself. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. If this helped, make sure to drop a like, follow, and I'll see you in the next one.